All right, well, that was a process. So we made it through most of the parts. I put on the O-ring for this, I don't know, bank 1 or bank 4, whatever you'd call it. I think that's 4, because I think it starts on the left side. So I'm going to call it 4. Got that O-ring on there, so hopefully that won't leak anymore. For testing purposes and just for the moment, I put on the probably Chinese-made brake master, and then started using the original lines and realized that they weren't great. So I thought, okay, let's look up part shipment for brake lines. Well, those were like a week out, and that didn't fall in line with the time frame that I had set for myself to get this thing on the road by the end of the week. So I went back into the reserve bikes and said, all right, what do I have here? Well, I ended up pulling brake lines. This one is a little bit long, but it's doing. They were brand new 2 years ago. They've never seen road time. They were installed, bled, and haven't been used. So got those on there, bled it pretty quickly. I got this on Amazon. I don't know what it's called here. Black Horse Racing. It's just an auto bleeder, pretty helpful. Just keeps a vacuum on the bottom nipple down there, and honestly, this thing kind of gravity feeds to an extent all on its own. As I realized once I hooked the lines up and hooked it up there, it was already starting to pour through, so that was kind of nice to see. But I have the brake system now done, bled. I did test it out, the brakes work. And immediately after that, I realized that the front shocks are shot. So those are going to need to be tore down, probably get some seals in there, some fresh fluid. Maybe I can check the fluid just in a general sense, but I guess they're not leaking. I may not need to do seals. But I have to rip off eventually the front tire anyway, so maybe that will just naturally come and I'll do that all together. So we'll see how that goes. But at least for the end of the week drive timeline, we're looking good. So we'll see then next. I'm still waiting on the gas tank. That could take another 24, 48 hours if it starts to kind of push towards the, late Friday, which likely it will. I may need to get a little bit more aggressive on the rust removal, or find something else to put in there. So we'll see how that goes. And then I still have not worked on the exhaust yet. They're still waiting over there for me. So yeah, hopefully we can get that going. That's all for now. Thanks.